Possible Finance gives you a short-term installment loan that you repay in multiple scheduled payments, while Brigit gives small cash advances designed to smooth out your balance before payday. By the end, you'll know how each one actually puts money in your account, how repayment works in real situations, and which app makes more sense depending on how tight your cash flow is. Start with Possible Finance. Possible Finance is built around installment loans. You apply in the app, get approved for a set amount, and then repay it in multiple payments over a short period. Each payment is scheduled, which means you don't repay everything at once. That structure matters because it spreads out repayment instead of hitting your account in a single withdrawal. Now look at Brigit. Brigit is built around small cash advances that help cover short gaps between paychecks. The advance is meant to be repaid automatically when your next deposit arrives, so you don't manage multiple payments. That creates a simpler experience, but it also means repayment timing depends heavily on when your paycheck lands. Now compare how you actually get money. Possible Finance focuses more on your ability to repay a loan over time. That usually means a more structured approval process tied to income stability. Brigit focuses more on your banking activity, and whether you qualify for an advance inside the app system. So one behaves more like a loan provider, and the other behaves more like a cash buffer tool. Now look at repayment behavior. Possible Finance spreads repayment across multiple scheduled due dates. That gives you more control over timing, but it also means you need to manage multiple withdrawals. Brigit usually collects repayment in a single automatic debit when your deposit hits. That makes it simpler, but less flexible if your income timing shifts. Now talk about use case. Possible Finance works better if you need a bit more money and prefer structured repayment you can plan around. Brigit works better if you just need a short buffer to avoid overdraft fees or timing issues before payday. Here's where people get it wrong. They treat both apps like long-term borrowing options. Both are designed for short-term gaps, not ongoing monthly spending. Another mistake is stacking multiple advances at once. That can create a situation where your next paycheck is already spoken for. Quick recap. Possible Finance gives structured installment loans with scheduled payments. Brigit gives fast cash advances that repay automatically on payday. If you're choosing between them, match the app to your repayment comfort, not just how fast you can get money. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of money apps without the confusion.